In this video, we will learn alphabet A to Z. So let's start the video. A. A for ant. B. B for banana. C. C for cat. D. D for drum. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for jogging. K. K for key. L. L for lollipop. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O. O for owl. P. P for popcorn. Q. Q for question mark. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tree. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for web. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yawn. Z. Z for zero. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe GoRiya Kids channel.